Humboldt squid. It has strong tentacles and spots. It lives in eastern Pacific waters. It hunts cooperatively in groups. Vampire squid. It has webbed arms and lights. It lives in very low oxygen. It floats gently and folds its web. Blue-ringed octopus. It has bright blue rings. It lives in shallow coral reefs. It flashes rings when it feels threatened. Glass octopus. It has a nearly clear body. It lives in open tropical seas. It hides by staying almost invisible. Giant Pacific octopus. It has large eyes and strong arms. It lives in cold Pacific waters. It solves puzzles to find food. Paper nautilus. It has a delicate paper-like shell. It lives drifting on warm seas. It carries eggs inside the shell. Bobtail squid. It has a small round body. It lives buried in sand. It glows with helpful bacteria at night. Sea anemone. It has soft tentacles like petals. It lives attached to rocks. It welcomes certain fish for shelter. Moon jelly. It has a pale moon-like bell. It lives floating in calm bays. It pulses gently to move along. Comb jelly. It has rows of tiny combs. It lives in clear ocean waters. It shimmers rainbow colors while swimming. Barrel sponge. It has a tall barrel shape. It lives on warm coral reefs. It filters water through its body. Christmas tree. Worm. It has two colorful spirals. It lives in coral heads. It pulls back quickly when disturbed. Feather star. It has many feathery arms. It lives perched on rocks. It waves arms to catch drifting food. Brittle star. It has long, flexible arms. It lives under rocks and corals. It moves quickly across the seafloor. Sea lily. It has a stalk and feathery crown. It lives anchored in deep seas. It filters tiny food from currents. Horseshoe crab. It has a hard horseshoe shell. It lives in shallow coastal waters. It uses many legs to crawl. Mantis shrimp. It has bright colors and strong claws. It lives in burrows near reefs. It snaps quickly to catch prey. Krill. It has a tiny shrimp-like body. It lives in huge ocean swarms. It feeds many whales and penguins. Barnacle. It has a cone-shaped shell. It lives glued to rocks. It sweeps food with tiny feathery legs. Hermit crab. It has a soft spiral belly. It lives in borrowed shells. It changes shells as it grows. Puffin. It has a colorful beak and wings. It lives on northern ocean cliffs. It flies low over waves to fish.